favorite song in this album.
Okay, Body to Body.
Yes, it's so nice.
Body to body.
Grabe.
What a perfect opener. Wow! Like,
Yeah.
toot, 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 toot.
Yeah.
Parang, what's this? What's this?
Exactly.
And then, so you're jamming, tapos biglang nag-creep up yung arirang.
Oo.
And then suddenly, hala, so tinutuhanan nila, di ba? Kasi parang, you wanna figure out why they called it arirang.
Correct.
And then on the first track,
Yun na
creep in
yun.
siya.
Oo.
Tapos ang ganda ng
Suabe.
mix. As in, ang ganda. Tapos ang ganda yung, my favorite part was like, the last note of arirang, and then my beat. And then, tanan. Alam mo yung lyrics?
I want this the whole city to
I
jump.
want
Stadium.
this whole city
Stadium
to
to
jump.
jump.
When I re-listened to it, and then, nung bumalik na ako sa part ng arirang
Oo.
bit nga, I started tearing up.
Oh.
But more of because me as a person, when I see or feel or hear mga cultural, yung mga ganitong ancient traditions,
Correct.
when I hear that celebrated, that's such a blessing, that's such a privilege, and also generous.
Correct.
I mean, they choose to do that instead of like keeping it cool. Alam mo yun, hindi nila kinalimutan yung sila.
True.
At hindi lang sila, yung Korea, yung pinanggalingan nila. Yun, I got really emotional and very touched and very inspired because, you know, that's something we should do. I mean, diba?
Yeah,
We don't
gets.
forget. We
Exactly.
shouldn't forget.
One, two, sarang!
Hey!
Annyeong, this is Monica.
What's up, everyone? This is Chancy.
Hello, my name is Tia, and we are one, two. Arirang, arirang, arariyo.
Arirang. Ano ko to? Ganda mo, ganda. Oh, sinulat ko sa notes. May notes
diba?
kami, guys.
Lahat kami nakapapel.
Oo.
In honor of the Korean traditions of fast. Write in paper, not in laptop.
Napakahalaga.
Napakahalaga
And we
po.
have to dive right into it because, armies, we have been waiting for so long. And the three of us have also been waiting for so long. And it's finally here. BTS is back! Oh my God!
My
Applause, applause,
Somebody.
Grabe.
Sobrang so nakakatuwa because like the album dropped last Friday as of recording. And syempre, pag lumabas din naman to. And we cannot wait to talk about it. So ano ba ang mga pag-uusapan namin for today? We will be talking about the hot topics that a lot of people are talking about on social media. We will also be talking about, syempre, ano ba yung favorite songs namin sa album. And finally, we will also talk about ano bang thoughts natin. Ito na, nandito na
So
ang
many.
chapter 2. So, we're gonna move forward with that. Okay? I don't think it needs any more further explanation. BTS already released its album Arirang. It has 14 tracks. And currently, it has already sold like 3.98 million copies on Hanteo. So, good job, boys. And we cannot wait. We are so looking forward. April 9, Goyang,
Yes!
start na ito. But as soon as the title track was released, please do check out our MV reaction to Swim. It's right there. Ilalagay namin as a card and in the link to the comment in the description of this episode. Kaya ko to. Okay.
So excited.
Yes.
Brimming.
So, as soon as Swim was dropped, ang dami, syempre, yung mga tao nag-usap-usap sa social media. And admittedly, kasali tayo doon.
Correct.
Because, right? And actually, I also want to say na I kind of called it because our last episode ng tungkol sa Calm Before the Bangtan Storm, where we already knew that a lot of like the producers are mga Western artists. Alam ko na, sabihin na naman nila, hindi na naman Korean kasi ganito ganyan. And that's exactly what happened. Everybody was shocked, I guess, if that's the right word. I guess, yes. People were shocked.
Kasi
That
it was
the title
proven na tama yung hinala eh.
Yeah. The title track was all English in an album called Arirang. Okay. Ano ang thoughts ninyo? It's been how many days of processing this? Do you guys think that it's not fitting for an album called Arirang to have an all-English title track?
Wow, that is a very loaded question and requires a lot of dissection and maturity. Totoo, actually. Ako kasi parang when I was like pondering on this, parang yung question ko is, sino ba ang BTS ngayon? Kasi parang they always said naman na parang this album is really their journey. And parang I find myself parang like, yun nga, questioning the decision. But end of the day, ang tanong is, sino ba sila? And does this album really showcase who they are?
Yeah.
Sila kasi, they are at the intersection na of cultures. And it's a very hard, I'm sure was a very hard decision for them. Na ano ba, like do we go fully Korean or do we go like Western, alam mo yun. Pero parang feeling ko naman, the album kind of satisfied naman both worlds. Alam mo yun? And then, as I was also like searching on Arirang, ano bang ibig sabihin nun, parang I chanced upon this like quote from this like white pianist. So this guy is called George Winston. Gumawa siya ng sanyang version of Arirang. So,
The folk song.
the folk song. No, the album, the BTS album. So this was back na in
Being clear.
back na in the day. So ang sabi niya, the reason why he did it is he said na Arirang has the touch of the blues, and then he also said that the music has the feeling that transcends cultures and nations. So parang yun yung pinanghawakan ko na lang, like listening to this album and trying to understand why they did this. Na parang yun nga, nasa intersection kasi sila of you know, their own culture and the world. And I'm trying to understand na lang na baka BTS is already the world. Alam mo yun?
Yeah.
And they still need to be palatable to many people for the world to understand them.
Correct.
Okay, just to ask a follow-up on that. Do you think that Swim is palatable to a lot of people?
Everyone?
Parang feeling ko naman, the fact that it's in English. Alam mo yun?
So, ang
Parang-
English song automatically makes it palatable.
At least like it's
Mas
understandable.
madali siyang intindihin.
Mas madali siyang intindihin kasi it reaches more people, di ba? So, I mean, in terms of preference, taste, sound,
Yeah.
I mean, ano na lang yun, pero at least you can communicate easier.
That's true.
Parang, yun nga, parang they started out, you know, this whole, sumabog sila because of an English song. Eh. So parang, I was thinking, maybe
Well,
they will...
To be fair, not naman.
Oh nga, pero,
Pero
parang in
they
the
got
Western,
bigger.
they got bigger. Oh, they got bigger with Dynamite. Diba?
Truly.
So parang iniisip ko, baka, you know, they also want to target those audience kasi hindi naman kasi lahat ng taong ARMY tulad natin eh, na very deep into it eh.
Yeah,
Alam
that's
mo yun, a lot of
true.
ARMYs
Oo.
are just ARMYs.
That's true.
Diba? So like, they just like BTS and no one else. So parang, baka, so they can reach more people, they can reach more of their fans. Ito yung decision nila. Parang ganun.
You
Super
agree?
get. Yeah, actually, in their song Aliens, may magandang line dun eh. Yung,
yeah.
The era demands us. I think, maybe it was Jin who sang it.
Oh,
I don't
wrote it
remember.
down here.
Mm-mm. And I feel like that's exactly it eh.
Correct.
Alam mo yun? Everyone wants them. Everyone from around the world wants them, needs them, listens to them. Not everyone, but gets from many places around the world. So of course, they want to be palatable to a lot of people. But at the end of it, naman, ang gusto ko sa decision making na yun, while they were accommodating that thought, I feel like they stayed true to themselves.
Agree.
Like, with your question na is Swim palatable to everyone? Most likely no, because it's
Yeah,
different.
exactly.
It's a very, very taste centric kind of whether you like it or not.
Correct.
Yes.
Oo.
But you know that that's something that came out of Namjoon's head. Alam mo yun? You know that they've
Oo.
listened to those kinds of music. Alam mo yun?
Exactly.
So,
Oo.
and plus yung mga insertions nga, hindi naman nagkulang for the rest of the album. Yung mga very Korean culture references na very, very deep if you
Yeah,
think about it.
exactly.
Hindi sila
Oo.
nagkulang doon. So, it's really I feel like it's a mix talaga of, yun nga, accommodating to everyone in the world while keeping true to themselves as Koreans and as individuals. And it's a huge experiment honestly, this album is such an experimental album. Kaya hindi ko alam kung bakit kailangan siyang i-argue na West versus Korean, hindi na talaga sila K-pop. I mean, if you look at it at like a basic artist perspective, they're just trying to put what they feel is what they feel now.
Correct.
Ayun. Kung ano yung gusto nang ilabas, yun na yun.
Yeah.
Ganda nga na meron silang opportunity. Not everyone
Exactly.
has the opportunity to do that.
Yeah.
You know?
Ang ganda. As in parang parang there's another thing that I saw na parang arira nga is unity and diversity. So it's really going beyond Korean Unity and diversity in a global sense.
And it's something we need right now. I
Oh,
mean, with
correct.
everything happened with ICE and all the war going on. And
Oo.
ano yun, parang, don't we just want to be one?
Correct.
Like, bakit kailangan ng labels on
Agree.
everything?
Correct.
Diba?
Why does it have to be one versus the other?
Since we did talk about aliens, well, we are talking about Swim right now, being an all-English track. Meron kayong sinabi na this album is experimental. I actually have a very hot take na para sa akin hindi siya experimental, but I'll expound on that later on before when we wrap up this episode. I feel like yung Alien din, sobrang like as a song in itself, it explained very well how they are really just fighting back against all of these labels. That's why I really like that song as well. Na parang,
Yeah.
diba, about taking off your shoes. As Asians, we all totally understand what that's about.
Correct.
And Namjoon's rap, everybody knows where the K is. One of the things that they said is that people don't ask them anymore if they're from North or South Korea.
Yes.
It's a huge thing. But apparently, may joke lang sa Twitter. Pero dito sa UK, may nagtatanong kung East or West Korea. Anyway,
East or West?
joke lang nila yun.
Kasi Berlin naman yung
How far will you go? Still cursing us. Misfortune turns into blessings. Pardon, Mr. Kim Gu. Tell me how you feel. And si Kim Gu, as we know, is this celebrated. He's one of those who fought for independence, especially during the time when Korea was taken over by Japan. So parang they're still fighting for, like, I feel like Aliens encompassed that parang in terms of like the lyrics, because a lot of the other lyrics don't really show that. And for me, Swim was a choice that I feel like they did it to make a statement. Parang feeling ko meron silang wala kaming pake sa inyo.
Iba na
Gagawin
kami
namin
ngayon.
to.
Oo.
Parang it was such a statement na parang I respect that, pero ako lang personally, and as if naman it matters, but ako personally, I don't agree with that choice, but like, you made that choice,
Correct.
BTS, then go with it. I get what you're doing. Parang may ganun lang ako, okay, gets.
Oo.
Hindi ako agree, pero gets ko naman. And does it make me less of an army or less respect them as artists or love them? I don't think so, but
Oo.
like, that's just how I feel about it. So yeah, there are so many songs in this album. Nabanggit na natin ng Aliens, pero kailangan din nating pag-usapan that they did mention as well during their live. And it's so obvious when you listen to the album that it is divided into two parts.
Yes.
And so beautiful thing, again, sobrang galing ng mga ARMY na naka-find out nito. Nung lumabas kasi yung tracklist and then nakalagay number 29, there were no credits. In my head, I was like, oh my God, may skit ulit. Sobra akong na-excite na nakakamiss yung mga skit kahit syempre hindi ko naman maintindihan.
Correct.
Kasi iyo lang ang gusto ko yan.
My ganon.
Diba? Parang okay. And then some armies were able to find out na parang no, number 29, that means it's a Korean national treasure, blah, blah, blah. Like, okay, maybe, but maybe not. Let's see.
Yeah.
But they really did do it. So, number 29 separated the album into two. And as we all know, that was the sound of the bell of King Song-dok. That is the 29th national treasure of Korea. And an interesting thing is, may mga nagthi-theorize na, syempre because we have like this high-definition recording of this bell that hardly ever being rang because syempre
So
medyo fragile na siya and all of that. That possibly profits coming from number 29 track could go to the Gyeongju National Museum where it is housed.
Wow.
So I hope so. And it sounds so Namjoon.
Yeah, na giving it back to culture, to art.
It's so
Uy, ang
Namjoon.
ganda nun.
Right?
Naku, pakinggan pa natin yung
Oo
number
nga.
29, guys.
Girl, as in, because
It
I'm...
relaxes me.
Diba? And it's like, gusto ko kasi yung mga sound bath and you know how sound clears energy.
Yes.
So I always always, ilang araw pa lang.
Correct.
Pero I use it to like clear like the room that, basta I'm working on something at home. So I use it to clear the energy. And thank you so much for that gift. It was so nice and beautiful.
You should check it out. Wait, I forget which museum, but they did. They posted this yesterday. It's like a visualizer of when the bell was struck. So visualizer. So ano lang siya, graphics. That you can see the sound waves,
Ganda.
like how it resonates, yung reverbs.
Yeah.
Ang relaxing niya. Makakatulong siya sa sound bath mo.
Oo.
Like, alam mo yun, parang kasi may visual.
Yes, as a visual person, important.
Check it out.
So much love for this track. Like,
I
sobrang
know.
swear. Thank you so much.
I
It's so nice.
know.
But yeah, it divided the album into two. I wanted to know, anong mas favorite part ninyo sa side A, side B? Napaka side A, side B ng konsepto,
Ay.
diba?
Ako side A.
Side A?
Lakas ng side A.
Lakas ng side A.
Grabe.
Ako rin side A.
Oh my God, side A, girly!
Oo.
As mga rap line girlies,
As hip-hoppers.
I guess. As hip-hoppers ourselves, young
As
stanas.
millennials, di ba?
Yeah.
Who grew up with hip-hop.
Yeah.
Oh my God, grabe nga talaga. Hala, baka nga mag-intersect. Okay, sige, umpisahan mo na, Mon. What is your favorite song in this album? Oh,
No, kasi when I say this one, I know it's you guys like it too, but I want to see others. So will I let go? let this go so that I can say the fine. Okay, body to body.
Yes, it's so nice.
body.
Grabe.
What a perfect opener. Lalo na
Correct.
coming from, syempre, ang una mo, comeback, ang una mong gagawin is you watch the Swim music
Correct.
video,
Oo.
right? And then, okay, you go na to your music app. Wow! Like,
Yeah.
toot, 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 toot.
Yeah.
Parang, what's this? What's this?
Exactly.
And then, so you're jamming, tas ang sarap ng tunog, di ba?
Mm.
Tas biglang, nag-creep up yung arirang.
Oo.
And then suddenly, hala, so tinutuhanan nila, di ba? Kasi parang, you were a little bit disappointed with Swim, eh.
Yeah.
Kasi it's so Western.
Western,
ano
quote,
yun.
unquote.
And you're still, you want to figure out why they called it arirang.
Correct.
And then on the first track,
Yun na
creep in
yun.
siya.
Oo.
Tas ang ganda ng
Suabe.
mix. As in, ang ganda. Tas ang ganda yung, my favorite part was like, the last note of arirang, and then my beat. And then, tanan. Alam mo yung lyric?
I want the whole city to
I
jump.
want
Stadium.
this whole city
Stadium
to
to
jump.
jump.
Stadium?
Stadium.
City.
Stadium.
City daw.
City.
Stadium
Oo.
sa lyrics eh.
Pero city yung sinasabi ng iba. So,
okay.
it could have been city, it could be stadium, but
Same.
who cares?
Oo.
Let's all jump.
Yung beat na yun.
Oo.
And I want the whole city to jump.
Mm.
Oh, as in, wow! As in,
Yeah.
medyo nag-wild ako.
Yeah.
And, well, after listening to the first round,
Mm.
diniretso ko syempre. Like from 1 to 14, and then balik ako to 1.
Oo.
When I re-listened to it, and then nung bumalik na ako sa part ng arirang
Oo.
bit nga, I started tearing up.
Oh.
But more of because me as a person, when I see or feel or hear mga cultural, yung mga ganitong ancient traditions
Correct.
from different people around,
Yeah.
different cultures around the world. And when I hear that celebrated, like it doesn't even have to be in an album, in like BTS
Correct.
album. Even like just like an exhibition in
Correct.
a conference or what. Di ba yung nanood nga tayo ng FIVB,
Oo.
tapos may cultural dance? I was
Ramon
so
Obusan Group.
I know, I was so emotional.
As in, ROI na siya doon.
It's an art form that you don't really see kasi every
Correct.
Yeah.
But it's a celebration of where you come from, of where a people comes from. So, I teared up because yun nga, I felt that. And them singing, honoring that, like, that's such a blessing, that's such a privilege, and also generous.
Correct.
I mean, they choose to do that instead of like keeping it cool. Alam mo yun? So, kumbaga, hindi nila kinalimutan na may ganun silang hook. Kasi they've
Oo.
done that naman in the past, diba? They
Yes.
always insert a lot of Korean cultural things in everything that they do. So, it's like a messaging na bago kami kasi ang swabe nga ng tunog, right? Bagong-bago. Well, bagong-bago kasi bagong album, alam mo yun? Bagong something from BTS. Pero hindi nila kinalimutan yung sila.
True.
At hindi lang sila, yung Korea, yung pinanggalingan nila, parang, ayun, I got really emotional and very touched and very inspired because, you know, that's something, we should do. I mean,
Oo,
diba?
yeah,
We don't
gets.
forget. We
Exactly.
shouldn't forget.
Yeah.
We don't have to be like dancing the tinikling or whatever, pero just appreciating it. And I know a lot of people do. It's just that there's not a lot of opportunity kasi.
Uh-uh.
So for them providing that opportunity to Koreans,
Yes.
I love watching yung mga reels, how emotional they got when they heard it. Because, as Koreans, they felt them as a people.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
minsan nga nakakaingit eh.
Correct.
Diba? And alam ko, may ganun tayo. Like, what's that? We have a P-pop group, Alamat.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
Keep up, guys. I know, kaya nyo yan. Kasi
Oo.
may ganun sila hook eh, which I love.
Mm.
Opportunity na ganun.
Exactly.
Totoo.
And it's so nice how it was inserted to the song because yun nga, it just creeps up on you. Like, you're like vibing to the song and suddenly, what is happening?
And the
It was
second
so
chorus,
nice.
creep up siya.
Ganda. And it was so funny because like when the tracklist dropped, tapos parang we were joking about how first song, body to body, sex na ito.
I know.
Diba? But like, no, it was about jumping,
I know.
celebration, and it's
Being together.
Being
Diba?
together.
Yun pala yun. Alam nyo na
Oo.
sa next concert, pag tumalon kayo, pag may pogi, dikitan ninyo.
Body to body.
Although on the sensual part, tawang-tawa lang ako kasi yung first listen, yung kumanta ng I want somebody to body si Jimin. So parang sexy.
Ay, nako. Alam na natin.
Giling.
Alam na natin. But yeah, as in, sobrang, I was so pleasantly surprised and it really set the tone for the album. And it
Correct, agree.
erased a lot of things that I was thinking about because of the swim experience.
Yes.
What did you think about Body to Body?
Girl, sobrang same. As in, it is also, I think, my favorite talaga. Kasi parang it is the thesis of this whole endeavor.
Yes.
Alam mo yon, parang at the start nga, parang you would think na paano kaya nila ipapasok yung cultural element dito? And then they did it in that way towards the end na parang, and going and researching nga about Arirang, parang it's a communal song eh. Alam mo yon, and then you hear like so
Remembering
many
home.
voices of these women na singing it out loud. Tapos parang medyo amplified pa nga siya, di ba? And then, knowing nga na it's a song about like going up a hill, transcending all your problems and all that, getting to your lover. Alam mo yon, celebration, exactly what you said. It is a celebration that we are all finally here. Sobrang ganda, as in, very, very affected by it. And once again, as what we've always mentioned, BTS gets their audience to learn more.
Yes.
Alam mo yon, like we're searching about what Arirang means, how this works with the song, how it works with the
Yes.
whole album, the concept. And I love it. And I love na it's the start pa. They put it there. Sa start.
Exactly. Kasi usually, 'di ba, yung mga traditionally, kung yung title, or usually, one, merong title na yun yung album name.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Oo.
And if, or something similar to it, na they have that, they would put it towards the end. So parang inaabangan mo siya.
Oo.
Sobrang gusto ko yung decision na yun
Yung
unang-una.
start. Yeah.
So pack siya.
And even in their studio notes, they also mentioned that they had a lot of hesitation when they found out that the keyword, parang prompt pa lang yun eh.
Oo.
In the middle of song making, suddenly somebody tells them, whoever that agency, okay, this album title would be Arirang. They were all like taken aback. Na parang, why? And then Jin was like, am I gonna sing Ari Ari again? Again.
Totoo.
Tanda na yun sa K-pop.
K-Con.
K-Con in France or something, somewhere in Europe. Pero parang may ganun silang pero like, just putting that full trust that they're able to do it this way. It's, okay, very good. As in, kung sino man
I
yung
wanna
nakaisip
know.
ng keyword.
I wanna pick the brains of that agency, or whoever that person is.
Si Hitman Bang.
Oo nga.
Because I mean, obviously there's marketing involved in
Oo,
it.
correct.
There's a lot of layers involved in it.
But it's so smart.
Smart!
It
Oo.
so perfectly encapsulates it. Ikaw, anong favorite song mo, Trends?
My God. So, nasabi na nga ang body to body, no? So, as a hip-hop girly, so hard. I think, say hooligan. We already mentioned Alien.
Oo.
But I also want to put out there 2.0.
Oh my God, girl! That's my
As
favorite.
in, 2.0
Oh my God, girl!
is
That's
poppin'.
my favorite!
Oo. As in, nakalagay sa...
Nagulat ako talaga.
Oo.
Sa'yo din.
Nakalagay sa notes ko, nasty song. Shit. As in, it's so nasty.
Oh
As in,
my
nasty
God,
like
I'm
the
so
best
shocked.
way possible. Alam mo yon, it's just, And I love that they went hard.
Yes.
Sobrang kaya ang saya. And my God, sorry, Namjoon talaga for me here.
Talaga?
Grabe.
Okay.
Sabi niya, kanino ko pa sinasabi yung pop, 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 pop. Yung parang feeling ko nabuntis na ako.
Correct.
As in, gabi, this song is just so hot. And I like to emphasize lang. Kasi parang dito sa mga kanta nila ng mga hip-hop, parang ang dami nilang mention of fire. Alam mo yun, I really like na may ganun. And even in the latter songs, parang like, burning, may ganon, may pagnanasa, being close to the sun, alam mo yun.
How very
And then,
blood, sweat, tears.
How very blood, sweat,
Ako naman 17,
tears.
be the sun.
So parang ganon. And like, ito nga parang like coming out of the ashes yung feel pa. Parang
Mhm.
like brand new. 2.0.
Exactly.
Oo, we're here and we're fresh.
Yeah. And I love how that ended the whole hip-hop, like heavy
Correct.
hip-hop
Oo nga,
part
after
of
nung
the
ganun na.
album. Because after that comes in number
The
29.
bell.
Sobrang, oh my God, like the first time I listened to this song, as in, parang I was messaging group chat na parang this is my favorite song. Sobrang love ko. I don't know why. It's so, I don't know, parang trendy, I guess. It's so captured in the now. And sobrang gusto ko yung, ang ganda ng pagsisplit nila ng beat. Hindi ko naman naiintindihan yun kasi hindi naman ako musician. Pero dito kasi sobrang grabe yung pasok na pasok. And then like even during their studio notes, sinabi ni Jimin na he was against this song because it was so hard to sing because of the rhythm of the do-do-do. Parang nahirapan siyang i-ride yung rhythm na yun. It was so new. So parang, oh my God, parang okay, it adds a layer. Sobrang favorite ko din yung part na parang we don't stop. Tapos nun, feeling mo, pag ginawa yun, magdadrop yung beat. Hindi. Dire-diretso siya. And then, we ride. Tapos, ang lakas nung percussion. Oh my God. As in, every time I hear that song, it's so perfect. Like, yun yung gusto ko sa hip-hop, sa rap line ng BTS eh. Ang galing nilang magsulat ng mga raps that just ride the beat.
Correct.
And whenever they just do that, and then yung pagka-synchronize ng dalawa, like especially when, with this song in particular for me, ang ganda ng pagkaka-merge ng rap line and ng vocal line. Hindi siya distinctively
Sobrang
na
agree.
vocal song to or hip-hop. Hindi.
Yes.
Pasok na pasok yung dalawa, yung kapag yung kanta, and even the hip-hop, rap line is kind of singing
Correct.
also in some parts.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. Like, I feel like this song should be broken down more eloquently by somebody who knows what they're talking about. But, oh my God, like this song, super.
What's that song? Yung favorite natin ng rap line din. Yung nagbaboxing sila. I forget. It has that kind of feel for me. Very strong.
Yeah.
Very in your face.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? And I love that when BTS does that.
Yes.
Ano sila? As in dark era.
Correct.
Ganon. Yun talagang roots nila. And I like nga na, yun nga, parang this album is like going back to the roots. They really went back to their hip-hop. And they did it so well. So
freaking well.
Gusto ko rin sa akin yung sinabi mo kanina na parang distinct na this is rap line but maganda pa rin yung pasok ng vocal. Like in general, in the whole album,
Agree.
merong mga songs na this is the Yoongi song.
Oo.
This is the Hobie song.
Yes.
Pero hindi necessarily dahil siya lang yung kumakanta. Parang mas nafe-feel mo lang yung presence niya. Does that make sense? But everyone's involved.
Correct.
Parang ganun. Like I don't remember kung sino yung 2.0. Pero Aliens kasi is for me is Yoongi. And then yung Hooligan is at least visually lang. Parang yun lang yung
sonically
sa
for you.
Sonically yun yung tumatatak sa akin. Hooligan is Hobie. Mga ganun ba? And like Jungkook is I think like was it ano yung sabi natin?
Normal.
Normal. Jungkook is very normal, 'di ba? Yung mga ganun ba? So nakakatuwa na it feels extra personal kasi na bibigyan pansin yung either likes or yung skills ng bawat person, pero everyone has like a contribution. Like one of my favorites in Like Animals when Jin does like the siren. Like I love that may ganun siya.
Yeah.
Alam mo yon,
Yeah.
parang
About Hooligans lang, like you say that it sounds like Yoongi, but surprise, surprise, it was JK who worked on this
I
song.
know.
Sabi niya sa studio notes.
Hobie yung
Yung
ano
Hooligans.
ko?
Hindi Yoongi.
Hooligan.
Hobie. And it just shows how because of their solo careers, they were able to
Yeah.
explore so much, and then coming together, yung synergy ng dalawa.
Oo.
Correct.
Because you
Totoo.
could, yes, it's very Hobie, but when they said na si JK,
It makes sense too.
diba? Yung ganon, sobrang
Yeah, yeah.
okay, very good.
And may certain level of bravery na to it. Kasi parang like, they have so many experiences na and also working with like a lot of other producers, hindi lang yung sa
Yeah.
kanila. So they can have, kahit na sinabi lang hindi nahirapan sila sa English, para at least they may confidence na in trying to communicate what will work for them.
Yes.
Alam mo yun? And when you said nga earlier na parang, I think it was Pio said na parang it's such a very artistic album. Parang like, it's really about them. That's really how I felt eh. Na parang like, this is about them and their artistry. Like, tanggapin nyo na ito na kami ngayon.
Yeah.
Alam nyo yun?
Wala
Wala kaming susundan dahil yun yung hinahanap nyo.
Yes,
Exactly.
exactly.
And this is backed
That's
by
the
a lot
statement.
of experience too. Alam mo yun,
It's
they've done their
true.
solos. Parang hindi naman nila pa yung talikuran yung mga personal experiences nila yun, di ba? They incorporate it into their work. My God, imagine hundreds of songs.
Yeah.
They had to sift through that. Grabe.
How do you filter, diba?
How do you filter?
And I'm sure they work with so many other producers na hindi lang credited kasi hindi napasok sa albums.
Correct.
But I can just
Exactly.
imagine that there's so many other greats
In a span
who
of
were
9
involved.
months.
Oo.
Sobrang wild nung 9 months lang
Diba?
to.
Nagbuntis talaga sila. I'm just so happy because like all the songs being mentioned right now are my favorite songs. So that means pwede ko mapasok yung third favorite song ko, which is Into the Sun.
Yeah, that's
I
my
love-
favorite.
Oh
Kaya ako
my
hirap na
God!
hirap because I really love Body to Body, but Into the Sun
Really?
has something.
So parang connect yung mga favorite. Oh my God.
May
Grabe.
like
Oo.
it has
Sobra.
caught me somewhere, something. I
Yes.
can't understand it.
Like ako, personally, like when I first heard it kasi, like the opening, I loved Wonder Years growing up.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Yeah.
Yes.
And like, you know the songs from that era, from the
Yeah.
60s? Yung ganun yung medyo distorted na mga Beatles, ganyan. Yung medyo may harmonies na i-distort nila ng konti.
Oo.
As in, parang bigla akong may ganun na parang, whoa, what the hell is this song? Where did it come from? Ang ganda. And then it ends with everybody singing along Into the Sun.
Ganda.
It's so freaking Forever Young.
Oo.
Yung ganon, and then brought here. Like,
forever
When I
young.
first heard it talaga, as in sinabi ko talaga na this song has to be experienced in the stadium.
Correct.
Yes.
With
Agree.
everybody, with all the army singing along.
Body to body lahat.
Oh, body to body. This song is just for me, sobrang perfection. Medyo na-hurt nga ako because some critics are saying na it's such a strong album but it had such a saccharine finish because of Into the Sun.
Oh,
But
really?
I'm like, well, you don't know what you're talking about. Because, okay, gets na masyadong parang, I guess it turned cheesy because it's about, let's
Yeah.
go into the sun together, ganyan. But like, even if the lyrics are like that, simple, I guess, or
Oo.
too sweet, pero the way the melody was laid out,
Oo,
I
oo.
feel like sobrang ganda ng pagkaka-elevate ng buong experience. And I was shocked that it was Taeyong who worked on this song. And he was even...
I'm not. It feels very Taeyong.
Sa akin, parang towards the end ko na-realize, yun nga yung parang Wonder Years. Oo nga, it's so, medyo old
Vintage.
school. Oo, vintage. Kaya nga si Taeyong. And he didn't even want to include it in the album because he felt like there were so many other songs better than this. But I'm so happy that the members fought for this to be part of it because it was so nice. I'm shocked that it's a Kim Taeyong song. That I like
Oh.
me, but yeah. Into the Sun.
Into the Sun, I thought anything kasi that makes you yearn for the future, like yearn for happiness and peace, and them singing together towards the end. May peaceful ending kasi siya eh. So, any song that you present to me na gano'n, na syempre maganda tunog, etc. and maganda yung lyrics, I will always like. Like, I have a playlist with lots of songs like that. You know what I mean? And I think, honestly, yung ending niya, medyo, I feel like curated siya eh. Kasi if you're gonna be looping the album, ang ganda niya kasi na Into the Sun, and then balik ka na ulit sa Body to Body. Tapos, alam mo yun, minsan kasi nalilito ako. Normally, like albums, when they configure it, yung end, it has to be like a banger or, something that'll either signify that it's the end or something big lang. Parang that will lift you, make you soar or something. Para happy ending or something.
Oo.
Pero minsan kasi, when it's a banger, and syempre usually yung beginning banger, hindi mo na alam kung saan titigil. Alam mo yun? So, it ending that way, na medyo on the softer compared to how it began, I like that it really feels like a bookend na you can start again from the beginning.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Oo,
Yeah,
I get
Parang
pero
ganon.
it completes the journey.
Yeah,
Oo, I get.
it becomes a cycle, a
Yeah.
full cycle.
Yeah.
So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo bumalik sa start.
Oh,
So,
diba? Ang
ibig
galing nila.
sabihin,
Stream
stream
mo
ka ng
lahat.
stream.
Oo,
So,
diba?
marketing thing talaga siya.
Oo, very good sila dyan. As in,
Diba?
super very
Pera
good.
lang pa rin. Wow.
But we're so freaking willing. Like, that's
Yeah.
really like the process we're going through. The sun.
Into the Sun, sobrang super duper agree sa mga sinabi mo. As in talagang, and yun yung gusto ko dito, and in connection with Arirang, parang they utilized a lot of like voices singing together. Kasi sa start din, di ba,
Correct.
with Body to Body,
Correct.
with like the women saying Arirang, and then here towards the end, nagkakantahan sila, it just calls people to come together eh.
Yeah.
May ganun, na sobrang parang, I just love it, na they ended it this way. Alam mo yun? And yung mga songs pa naman towards the second part of it, parang may kind of loneliness dun sa song. Parang you feel the struggle in the second part.
In the
eh.
middle part.
In the middle. Kasi yung first bit, parang it's all about, ay, ito na kami.
We're back.
We're back.
Oh.
We're back, bitches. Alam mo yun, may ganun, very hard. Alam mo yun, like, ito talaga yung parang pinipin ka nila sa pader, tapos, ganun, pinipin ka nila, tapos andito na kami, parang, yes, andito na kayo. Tapos biglang iiyakan ka nila.
Correct.
May damdamin pala sila na
Correct. Kasi
Soft
parang,
boys
soft
inside pala.
boys. Hindi kasi parang the second bit is all about like, you know, their insecurities.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang may ganon. And then, this song kind of wraps that all up. Na alam mo yun, end of the day, it is, as you have said, Mon, na parang hopeful. May
Yes,
hopefulness
there's hope.
about it. And with regards to Body, as book ends, parang it's about celebration because we can never be okay. I mean, we can never be okay. We are okay because we're together.
Yes. Di ba? Ang ganda.
Togetherness.
Saka ang ganda din yung with a bang and then
Oo.
parang papunta ka sa introspection
Oo.
habang tumatagal. Tapos yung ending mo, we're okay. We're gonna be okay.
Yeah.
Oo.
Future's gonna be okay.
Future's gonna
Sabi
be
nga.
okay.
Okay. Before we move on to the next, meron kasing isang sinabi si Namjoon during the studio notes that really struck me.
Oo.
He said that he thinks that Merry Go Round will be replacing Spring Day as that
Ooh,
anthem. Anong thoughts ninyo doon?
Not so sure because merry-go-round, hindi siya masyadong tumatak sa akin. At least in the initial listens.
Oo.
Pero syempre, when I went through the lyrics, I mean, I get why they sang it.
Oo,
I
oo.
get the decisions. By the way, me as an army, I came in very late nung pa-enlist na sila.
Of course.
So, Tatak Monica.
So me listening and hearing about and finding out about the things behind Spring Day, nakalatag na siya in a way. So
gets.
and I admittedly that what do you call this, influenced my feelings towards it. The music video was a huge factor. Alam mo yun?
Yes.
It says so much. So I guess ang answer is mag-music video muna kayo and then I'll let you know.
Correct.
Please explain, Kim Namjoon.
Oo,
May ganun.
kasi
Oo.
right now I'm not feeling it or I'm not seeing it.
Yeah.
But I can see the potential
Mhm.
in the music video.
Yeah.
So, yun.
Gets, ako rin parang first lesson, parang it didn't really stick with me, parang ko lang siyang dinaanan.
Oo.
And then when he mentioned that, I had to listen to it again. And I was like, what? This song is so sad. Why do I need to be this sad? Like, Spring Day is sad, but it ends
May
with a
ray
little
of light.
hope. Yeah, di ba?
Oo.
Ito parang sad lang talaga. As in, so parang hindi ko maintindihan na, but Spring Day is like, anthemic. Like,
Did you mention why?
Hindi.
May binigay ba
Okay,
siyang
hanapin ko
reason?
sa notes ko, pero yun yung
Oo.
ano,
Bakit nasabi niya yun?
binanggit niya yan during their studio notes. Armies, kung nahanap din ninyo, let
Pero
me
yung
know.
Spring Day kasi lamentation din siya eh.
That's
And
true.
I hear that from Merry Go Round also.
Mhm.
So maybe that's why nasabi niya yun.
Wala pala. Natulala lang ako. Ang nilagay ko lang dito is that, so this song is yung produce ni Tame Impala, Kevin Parker, and that the first time that Namjoon listened to the song, parang si Tame Impala gave him like 5 songs. He just heard it and then picked it and then wrote the lyrics. So parang may ganun siyang journey. Maybe it was very personal to him.
Oo nga, oo
yeah,
nga.
yeah.
Baka I mean Spring Day in terms of his personal experience with the writing, not. I mean,
Pwede
kasi
rin
iba yung
naman,
impact
pwede
kasi
rin
ng Spring
naman.
Day kasi
Oo.
parang meron siyang alam mo yun, social impact eh.
Yes.
Alam mo yun.
Oo.
So, I mean, to be the queen song,
Yeah.
it has to also come at a certain time.
Yeah.
But the social impact, we didn't even see it until we saw the music video eh.
True.
Oo.
True.
Parang it had to be visualized.
Yeah.
If you imagine it, you listen to Spring Day without the music video.
Oo.
I mean, you'd feel something. You'd
Yeah.
feel
Oo.
hurt. Pero hindi klaro yung
Oo.
ganong yung social messaging na yun eh.
Oo.
'Di ba?
Oo.
So baka kailangan talaga ng music
Okay.
video para
Um,
ma-express yung
hello,
sinasabi
Big
ni
Hit.
Namjoon.
Please listen to Miss Monica. And she also does sets. Remember, she inspired your set in swim. So please, alam nyo na.
Oo.
Call us.
Oo. Oo.
Okay, and of course, there was a huge thing that happened last Saturday. Lahat ng Netflix, may ibang medyo nag-glitch, may ibang nag-hold on, pero lahat tayo nakatutok. They had that live show that everybody was so excited. We were all waiting for it. Magkasama kayo nanood?
Yes.
Ako, I was with my family when I watched it. So, how was the live concert?
Okay, sabihin na lang natin na muntik hindi umabot si Monica sa akin.
Oh my gosh!
She came at the perfect time.
What do you mean?
Like, I had 3
Literally.
minutes left.
Like
Oh
3
my
minutes.
gosh!
Yeah.
Saktong paglabas ko ng banyo, dumating si Monica at dumating yung si Tilly, my girl, with our
Our
food.
dinner.
With our dinner.
Wow.
So parang, perfect timing for everyone.
Correct. Tapos huling-huli ako eh. So, syempre, I rush in. Tapos sa phone ko, naka-on na yung Netflix. Just in case I
Oo.
miss something.
Oh my God. In fairness, at nag-hold on siya sa elevator.
Hindi rin. Kaya napapanik ako kasi high yung floor mo eh. Tapos ang daming bumababa. So parang, Tilly, aabot ba ako? Tapos walang signal.
Correct.
Oh my God.
Grabe. Pero parang ako, like, sobrang the anticipation. Like, I mean, prior to this, we were talking about it. Ako kasi parang medyo dinistansya ko yung sarili ko dun sa thought na to. For a while, medyo nag-sink in na lang siya the day before na parang sabi ko nga, my God, ba't ako nasusuka? Parang I'm just so emotionally attached to this group. Alam mo yun, na parang I have so many emotions connected to them. And now I'm sitting here seeing them perform. And I was kind of a little sad na parang I wasn't there to see it in person. Alam mo yun? Because I remember like when they enlisted, alam mo yun, nag-yet to come, nag-goodbye. Sabi ko, shit, nandun ako pagbalik nila. Alam mo yun? And then I kind of felt bad na parang, oh fuck, wala ako dun. Alam mo yun, na parang like could have been a nice, alam mo yun, coming together of my experiences. But still, no, the excitement was there. Alam mo yun? And just seeing like yung drone shot, sobrang daming tao.
Yeah.
And then there's this, I mean, we've seen like pictures of the set in daylight.
Yes,
Ang
building
laki,
it.
Sobrang
Oo.
laki. And then with, you know, the gate in the background. Tapos, bigla na lang, boom. Ayan na sila. Oh my God. Tapos yung damit pa nila, black and white lang. Alam mo yun, but the impact
I
was
want
so
to-
strong.
I also wanted to talk about what they were wearing. But
By
Right?
Songjo.
Oo.
So he is it's a high-end Korean brand. They have ateliers in Paris and in Seoul. And as an 80s fan, as an 18 also, yun yung fina-fashion din ni Songhwa. That he walked for them and he's an ambassador for them.
He walked for them.
Yeah.
I need to see this.
Very gorgeous. Actually, because of Songhwa nga, so I checked out. I've been following Songjo since I found out that he walked and has been modeling for them. Ganda. Ang ganda ng mga pieces
ganda.
talaga.
Sobrang ganda.
And it's
Kasi
even before this one. Like, their collections are beautiful because they're very high-end, high fashion, pero
Oo.
very Korean. As in,
Exactly.
you can see so much Koreanness in it. So parang kasi alam ko capable tayo at na-prove na natin yun na marami tayong ganun. 'Di ba? Siguro hindi naman sa inggit or whatever, pero I am always joyful of finding brands like those. Yung hindi nila, yung very rooted in their own culture and just beautiful. As in so beautiful. And seeing it on finding out na yun pala yung suot ng BTS.
Correct.
Oo.
Oo.
As in, mind blown.
Yeah.
Like, and we were ogling at it, right?
Yeah,
As in,
oo.
parang iniisa-isa namin. Ang ganda nung kay Taeyong yung may parang pleating
layered.
Tapos hindi namin ma-figure out kung attached ba yung sleeve or layer ba siya. Ang ganda nung kay Jimin.
Sobrang ganda
Apparently,
nung kay Jimin.
Yung jacket ni Jimin, yun yung minodel ni Songhwa.
Oh.
Pero walang fringe.
Okay.
So,
Jimin needs fringe. To match his hair. To match his
akala
fabulous
ko
hair.
Dior Kasi it's a very
Oo,
Dior
gets.
Ang tawag dun sa
silhouette.
ganung klaseng material?
Tweed.
Oo.
So, yun. As in, ang ganda-ganda. It looks
Correct.
so good against that very, very beautiful Ellie. I have a feeling it's not as big.
Oo.
Because just enough to frame
Correct.
the palace gate.
Oo.
So, but it's beautifully designed because they didn't forget. They had to put a hole.
Yeah.
Feng shui check siya. Pero obviously, ang gusto nilang i-highlight is the background, which is like the
Exactly.
palace,
Yeah.
diba? Ang ganda-ganda, ang simple lang niya kung isipin mo, pero
Mm-mm.
high-tech.
Oo.
Kaya na-achieve nila yun. Ang ganda ng LED na pag ganun. Ang ganda ng texture na project.
Oo.
Ang ganda ng mga bumababa na ilaw when they did Faya, which is one of my favorites. Hindi ko na nasabi. Ayun lang.
And sobrang gusto ko din yung sa mga drone shots. Kasi parang paglabas ng drone, bigla mo makikita yung King Sejong and Admiral Shiun.
Correct.
Parang okay.
Na naka-light.
Oo.
Everything else is dark. Yun
Diba
lang yung
sila lang?
naka-light.
Mas makikita mo yon na parang okay, grabe talaga. The impact is impacting with these boys na pag-isipan nila lahat yon. Favorite part of the concert?
I mean, like, I love all their songs, pero parang I miss them.
Mm.
I really miss them. And this song is such an important song for me because, I mean, like, it's so uplifting, you know, it's an army song, and for them to sing it, sabi,
Ang ganda ng moment namin.
Sobrang ganda ng
Oo.
Ano
moment
nangyari?
namin. Kaya sabi ko, parang towards the end na nga to, diba? Tapos sabi ko,
Encore siya,
technically.
technically.
Sabi ko, sana mo kumanta sila ng mga older army songs. So biglang,
As in, humarap ako sa kanya.
Oo.
Parang, hindi pa yan tapos. Babalik yan. Kasi iniwan nila si Namjoon doon.
Oo.
Hindi pa yan babalik yan. Tapos sinabi mo nga.
Oo.
Tapos biglang, cue.
And sobrang perfect, Microcosmos talaga is the epitome of an army song. And I'm oh my God, the people there, I can't imagine what they're feeling.
Yeah.
Like, they must have been crying. Alam mo yon, just to see them singing that song again. Ang ganda. Parang, I love it. I
And
love
it
it so
was
much.
Parang kind of, quote-unquote, a shocking choice only because it felt like a live listening party.
Yeah.
Na parang may injection
Correct.
na, okay, lagay tayo ng butter, ng dynamite. Oh, but mic drop was there as well. Pero ganun, parang, okay, so mag-into the sun na to. Parang yun yung feeling ko. Tapos bigla nung pumasok yung intro ng Microcosmos, I was also screaming, like, seriously, this is happening. Sobrang beautiful, very good sa
Very
gumawa
good
ng setlist.
choice.
Favorite part?
Add ko lang, ang ganda na ng projection ng Microcosmos because it was just the constellations. Galaxy.
Oo.
Kahit, ang galing actually ng tech kasi parang nagba-blackout din yung pero sa lighting lang naman, dinidiliman
Oo.
nila. Kasi parang mayroong video mapping din yung building, yung
Oo,
gate.
yeah.
So, ang ganda ng itsura. My favorite, ang hirap. Siyempre yung unang labas nila. That was
Correct.
like, oh my God, nandiyan na talaga sila.
Yeah.
Ganon. And they starting with body to body and seeing the women singing arirang with the
Yeah.
instruments, that was also, but I feel like it's a given. Like, you know, very, na siya.
Oo.
But I think I liked when they sang Aliens, Hooligan, basta the new stuff. Because, shucks, there's something new. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Tapos ang ganda ng Hooligans. Although, yung sabi ng sister ko nga, yung may gap sa gitna na alam mong
Oo.
position yun ni
Namjoon.
Namjoon.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, ang sad lang na hindi niya siya nagawa on comeback pa
Yeah.
talaga. I'm sure he must have been
All
so
the days.
heartbroken. I loved how they moved. Just that feeling na, wow, they're here again.
Yeah.
Like, I can't believe it. Alam mo yon. No, just that. Just
Yeah.
simple as, it has begun. Parang
Oh
ganon.
my God. Truly. My favorite part was mic drop. That was so shocking to me because that was like the
Yes.
first old song that parang nung lumabas pa lang ting, 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 ting.
Oo.
My daughter and I were screaming. We were like, seriously? Really? We're getting mic drop today? As in, it was so nice. And finally, sumasayaw sila kahit hindi nila sinayaw yung buong kanta. Pero sumayaw pa rin naman sila at important part. So parang, okay, sobrang nakakatawa and nakaka-excite. And just like what you said, Mon, nandito na sila. Chapter 2 has officially begun. Anong thoughts ninyo for chapter 2, and maybe to wrap up also your thoughts about this album and the new beginning, after 4-year hiatus, after enlistment, after their solos, ito na sila.
I'm just very pleased actually with their decisions in this. Na, I mean, I don't know nga if you can call it different. I mean, different in terms of what they've brought out na so far. Pero 'di ba kahit sa interview, I think mas na-pick up ko to yung kay Zane Lowe interview na they really wanted to talk to so many different producers because they've been gone a long time. So they don't know na, I guess, what they want, what sounds good now, what, they're not updated.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure there's some form of insecurity there too,
Yeah.
diba? Kasi they haven't been active. So they just wanted to pick the brains. They wanted to collaborate with so many different people. Just so that I guess they can get their footing started. And I feel like, kasi parang initially nung lumabas yung tracklist and then we saw nga the producers, etc. Parang, walang prod sugar, walang, diba? Oo. Pero medyo na-sense ko na rin naman, I mean, wouldn't be, baka not a good time then, or alam mo yun, baka may ibang inasikaso or something, or kung ano mong decision yun. Ngayon, parang mas gets ko na okay lang that they actually, it's like they talk to so many other people. Because, I mean, that's how you also find something din naman eh.
Exactly.
That's how you get inspired,
Exactly.
diba? So I'm glad that I really like their process if you think about it. And malamang because BTS sila, they had the opportunity to do that. Diba?
Yes.
So I appreciated that. Kaya okay lang sa akin na either kung sabihin nila masyadong western, masyadong tunog ganito, masyadong trap, gets different genres that they don't really do. Parang okay lang. Like, I like the variety. I really do. And plus, not to mention, lalo na yung side A. Yun yung mindset ng utak ko lately eh. Alam mo yun? Yun yung music that I've been listening to lately eh. So parang, in fairness, sumak. Alam mo yun? Swak siya.
Yeah.
So, kaya sobrang appreciate ko siya, diba? Gusto ko rin na feel ko yung maturity ng bawat members. Like,
Correct.
even tonally, parang, you can tell that either nag-iba na yung, or hindi naman iba totally, but there is a shift. So, kung ano man yung decision na yun, I don't know, maybe personal, maybe, whatever decision that was, I liked that they decided on that. Alam mo yun? So, you feel growth. And finally, them coming back kasi, it's very telling of what K-pop can be like na in the future post-military. Kasi before that, mahirap.
Death sentence
Medyo
ang
death
ano.
sentence
Exactly.
pa rin siya eh.
Yeah.
It's still very early. Though, with an album like that, with this banger, I feel like satisfied na ako. Alam mo yun? So, yung inaabangan ko nga is, ano yung how will these K-pop groups who will be coming back from military be like once they come back? And also, I guess the trajectory of K-pop, hirap na nga ako sabihin na K-pop siya because they came from K-pop. Pero parang if you talk about genre, hindi na K-pop kasi yung tunog nila eh, 'di ba? Pero ano nga bang genre ng K-pop, 'di ba?
Exactly.
So ang daming questions with regards to that. But K-pop as a product of Korea, them coming back can be indications of what that product of Korea will be like, moving forward,
Yeah.
'di ba? So, hindi pa tapos dahil syempre it's been just a few days. Although I feel like there's a huge impact already. You can feel it, I mean, just them putting the city into BTS Arirang City is just tinalo nilang Olympics, man. I mean, Olympics yung maraming mga little pockets of activities, like, and you see your friends who are there in Seoul right now. So much to see, so much to do, so much experience. And there's more to come because it's only been a few days. So, hindi natin
Correct.
alam kung anong mangyayari pa, diba?
Oh my
Gosh.
God.
So ready for April 9.
Sobra.
Ikaw, Trans, chapter 2.0.
Chapter 2.0. I feel like they really stuck with what they promised. As in. And plus more. Parang, I mean nga, parang sinabi nga ni Mon, parang diba? A lot of times, pag mag-enlist sila, death sentence. Alam mo, you never know really where they're gonna go. Pero kasi sila, parang, ang strategy nila is, we will focus on ourselves. Alam mo yun? They really did focus on themselves and their own craft. And at the same time, parang keeping the flame alive. Alam mo yun? But pero focusing parang on what else they can say. I mean, and Namjoon says this all the time na parang, what else can I write? I'm always just writing with you guys.
Yeah.
But having their own experiences, doing their own thing. I mean, yung iba nga, si Taeyo nga, hindi naman nag-concert. Alam mo yun, wala. Diba? They wanted to focus on themselves. And maybe that's why he did Into the Sun. Because maybe he discovered something about himself during this time. Apart from K-pop. I really like na ito talaga yung trajectory nila. And I'm very, very happy for them. Like for me, this album, parang is their most them. I mean, and when I say them, themselves.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, parang I'm sure like maraming decision to na agency decision, for marketing, profit, and all that. Pero it really did feel like it's from them and it says a lot about what's gonna happen in the future. Tapos na sila sa hill of enlistment. Alam mo yun? Which is the
Arirang Pass.
The Arirang Pass, the scariest for all like K-pop groups. And then, eto na sila. Alam mo yun? And then we can clearly see what their future can be. So I'm really, really, really excited sa mga mangyayari. And really, really excited to get a damn ticket.
Let's go.
Please, Lord Jesus Christ.
Be with us.
Give us a ticket. I want
to
to see them
experience
live.
body to body.
Body to body with all the different people in Manila. Pero grabe talaga, as in, sobrang, the anticipation was great, pero the gift was amazing.
Oh, super.
Worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
Yes, super duper cannot wait for the concert. And yes, we do have to be there. I did say at the start of this na parang meron akong hot take. At ito na nga ang chance para sabihin yun. Because it also comes from what both of you said. Na that they're here and this is their sound and all of that. About their whole journeys and all. I feel like itong album na to, because a lot of people, critics, are calling it nga experimental. And I'm like, I beg to disagree. I don't find it experimental because like what you said, it is so quintessentially them. Parang, because I'm so glad that they all did their solo careers because they were able to explore their musicality, their artistry, and coming back together and putting it together. One of the writers, Consequence.com, called Namjoon the tastemaker of the group. And it's so
Wow.
apparent in this album.
Oh, yeah.
It's so Namjoon.
Yes.
All of the choices are so him. Kaya parang, hindi siya, para sa akin, hindi siya experiment. It's really expressing who they are.
really are.
Right? And parang, it does not take being a woo, purple-blooded army forever.
Yeah,
You just listen to their songs and you know that the sound is so them. And I'm just so, it's so nice that, di ba, Arirang is also a homecoming.
Correct.
And this was really that homecoming na sobrang wow. It was so perfect that they were able to do it like this. And all armies are super happy. Like, because of that. Kaya sobra talaga akong grateful. Thank you for this beautiful gift. As in, sobrang.
So,
Ganda.
naka-move on ka na. Hindi ka na, okay lang na nakita mo yung ex mo.
Oh my God.
Pwede ka nang makipagbalikan.
Nahihirapan pa ako kay Yoongi lang ako tumitingin lately.
Hindi pa natin napag-usapan si Jimin. My God, with
Oo.
all that extended lion
Oh, the
mane.
extensions.
I was shocked.
All the fringe.
I know.
On the head.
Nasasaktan ako, pero sige, hirap. Oh, and I just wanted to add as well, like, one of my favorite, like, comments that I saw about this album, sabi nila, it's like Dark and Wild went to college.
Wow, I love it.
Cute.
Right?
Ang cute
Oh my
naman
God, and we
nun.
talked about this. Are they gonna go dark?
Di ba?
Yes.
Di ba?
I love it. But they went to, it's very mature.
Yun nga.
Exactly.
It's a mature,
Kasi
sexy
exactly.
album.
Kasi if they went dark, it would have been dark the whole thing.
Oo.
Kaya gusto ko talaga na may bell. Tanda na tayo. Let's process this.
Correct,
Oo.
Diba? Let's process our
Cleansing
emotions.
muna. Oo, ganyan.
And then towards the end, alam mo, okay naman pala eh.
Oo.
Tapos biglang, ulit.
Correct.
Balik sila sa body to body.
Correct. Sarang Base, if you have ARMY friends and you want to talk to them about this, please share this with them and also leave a comment. Mag-usap tayo, pag-usapan natin lahat ng feels because we're sure madami pa yan. Okay? And we will be back for a game. Okay.
Okay.
So ito na yung game na sinabi kong baka mag-away-away tayo.
No! Sapa ka na.
Parang ba maturity ang mga tema ng album na.
Akala ko ba
togetherness,
yung BTS?
Oo nga.
Oh my God. Yun pala yung isa pang gusto kong sabihin kanina. How lucky are we, ARMYs, that BTS is still 7?
Correct.
No.
Yes. But given with what has happened.
Yeah, but like just in general, because we're talking about enlistment era, a lot of people after enlisting, hindi na sila bumabalik sa group. They find
Yeah.
anyway. Yun lang din.
Baka
So,
inspiration lang twice.
kasi nag-enlist
Twice
din
eh.
yung twice.
Oo, nag-enlist din yung twice.
Oo.
Mga
Sa
ganun
Victoria's
yun eh.
Secret. Oo nga, lalo si Gio.
Okay, so ano bang gagawin natin ngayon? We are gonna unanimously agree on what the best song out of this album is. We are gonna do an Arirang World Cup. Okay? So I will be giving song titles and pipili tayo. So whoever wins, kung ano man, 2-1
Oo.
or majority wins, yon ang mananalo. Wala na. Wala tayong oras, gutom na tayo.
Pero ano kasi tatlo naman, so
Oo.
madali lang. May consensus.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So, ang first bracket natin, body to body or versus hooligan.
Body
Body
to
to
body.
Body to body. But I
Okay.
really love Hooligan.
I know. Aliens versus Faya.
Aliens.
Yeah, I know it's aliens, even though I love Fire.
I know. I kind of had a feeling.
Because, I called it. Everyone was calling it FYA. No, it's Fire.
And you were right.
I know.
To be fair. Okay. 2.0 versus Swim.
Oh.
Ako
2.0.
2.0.
Oh, wow. Okay. Merry-go-round versus Normal.
Normal.
Oh my God. Pareho. Like Animals versus They Don't Know About Us.
They don't
Like
know about
animals.
us.
Okay. One More Night versus Please.
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 Okay.
Ano yung Into the Sun?
Kaya nga, mag-isa
May
lang siya. So,
special
mamaya
bracket
na
siya.
lang siya. Okay. Body to Body versus Aliens.
Or Into the Sun, tsaka yung Gong, tsaka yung Bell.
Correct!
Bell.
Body to Body versus Aliens.
Body to body.
2.0 versus Normal.
2.0.
Oh.
Shit, parang pang ganda rin yung normal though.
Like Animals versus Please.
Like animals.
Like animals.
Okay, I lose. Hala, hindi ko pa masingit yung Into the Sun. Sa next tier na siya. Body to Body
Sayang,
May
versus...
Into the
special
Sun.
ano siya eh.
Ay, hindi ko siya masingit eh.
Okay lang.
Okay lang yan. Sige, pwede naman
Hindi
siya
naman ito
matalo.
makakabago ng buhay natin.
Oo nga.
So, okay.
Bakit hindi? Okay, Body to Body versus 2.0. Oh my God, this is so
Body.
hard.
Body to
Ako,
body.
body to body.
Oh gosh, I lose. Okay. Like Animals versus... ayun. Like Animals versus Into the Sun.
Into the Sun.
Into the Sun. Okay, so, Into the Sun versus Body to Body.
Body to body.
Grabe, ang hirap.
Ang hirap.
Oo. Ako clear, body to body.
By hairline. Body to body.
Hi. Same. So there you go, Sarang Base. Our favorite song from this album unanimously is Body to Body. And please let us know,
Perfection.
ilang beses nyo na siya pinakinggan today.
Aha.
Yes.
Damihan nyo pa para sabay-sabay tayo. Arirang, arirang, arario. Okay, ilang beses nyo nang stream ang Body to Body. Pakidagdagan pa please because magkakasama tayo. Soon enough, we will be jumping Body to Body.
Oh
Thank
my
you, Lord,
God.
for our tickets. Let's go. Claiming all of it. Thank you, Sarah Mays. This has been fun. Please share this episode with your friend. Yung mga ARMY friends inyo, mag-usap-usap tayo. We are on YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Follow us. We are on Instagram and on TikTok. We will see you on our next episode. Thank you. You're the best. Gumawa, Chegoya, and Sarang Hey.
Sarang hey.
Heart to heart.
Yunggi.
Yunggi?
Yunggi nga eh.
Bakit nakikiyunggi ka? Inaano niya tayong tatlo.
Hulo. Nagpalit ba kayo ng bias
Ako
from
na.
this
Ah,
comeback?
sige. Yes.
What?
Hindi naman siya nagpalit.
Gusto
Nagbalik.
ko yung ano. Yes. Yung
Nagbalik
confidence.
loob
Kanino ka
sa
nagbalik?
aking original. Kay Namjoon.
Back
Back when I only knew him as this weird-haired Korean. Because I don't know K-pop.
Anong turning point?
When he pop. Pops on me, men.
Pop, 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 pop. GB1 yun.
GB, true. Oo.